you like fried zucchini sticks dipped in ranch dressing? I do too, but I haven't been able to eat them in a while because I never knew that I could do a keto recipe for fried zucchinis. Until now, I recently purchased an air fryer, Keto air fryer, and I love it because I'm eating what look like fried foods again. Of course they're not, they're air fried. Instead of flour, which has a ton of carbs, I'm using almond flour. Instead of breadcrumbs, I'm using pork panko, which is just pork rinds that have been ground up. I have a half a cup of almond flour with salt and pepper, 3/4 of a cup of pork panko, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese mixed in with the pork panko. 3 medium to large sized zucchinis that I cut the stems off of. I cut them in half and then cut them in quarters. Some of them are big like this, and some of them are a little smaller like this. I'm going to start with the flour, just lightly dredging them. And you want to have always one clean hand and one dirty hand when you're doing this. So my right one's going to be my dirty hand. And then I dip it in the egg and then into the pork panko. Flour, egg, drip it off, pork panko, Parmesan cheese mixture. I'm going to go ahead and finish all of these. I spray them with the non-stick cooking spray, and I put them in 350 for 8 minutes. So the Keto air fryer has to preheat first, and then you put it in for 4 minutes, and you turn the zucchini over and then put it on for another 4 minutes, and it comes out perfectly. I serve mine with ranch, but you can also serve it with ketchup. Thanks for watching.